Hi, my name is Desarae with ACO Digital, and today I'm going to be showing you our project tool so that you can set your goals and tasks annually and monthly. So the first step is to actually navigate to projects.aco.digital, and then in the top menu, this gray area, you'll see tasks, which I already have selected. We set our annual goals under milestones, which I've already created a demonstration project, which has 5 goals set in place. You'll see that there's 2 additional milestones set. Those are things that we just need to use internally at ACO Digital to actually help you along with getting started if you're a brand new client with us. So as you can see, this demo account has 5 milestone set, which again is our long-term annual goals. So the number 1 is website, 2 is branding, 3 is SEO, 5 is automation, and 4 is email newsletters. So I'll go back over to tasks. And from here, you can see that we have set our view as classic, which allows us to further organize things under something called task lists. So once there's a task inside of a task list, you'll see the little circular with an arrow expand list, which allows you to open up and hide. If your tasks get very long, this allows you to have a whole bunch of them very well organized versus seeing a whole list, which is available to you and is a perfect way of viewing the screen when you actually want to just choose your monthly goals. So to change the view, you go into the top right-hand corner next to where it says Add Task. Currently I'm under Classic, and I will switch that to Plain, and now I can see all the tasks easily in one place. Sometimes when you're first in here, your view might look a little bit different than mine, so you may want to organize that. There's an option for that with a square icon in the top left-hand corner, currently under the All Open, and that says Customize Column. So I'll click on that, and I will look at Priority and move it up under Status. That allows me to easily see, and I do have to click Save, which you can barely see behind my face here, but it's right here. Click Save, and that moves the priority over next to status so that I can easily see it. If I see that there's other items that I would like to be able to see as well, I can move things around. For example, this associate with team column is something that I typically don't use, so I could actually shut that off as well, and then just click Save. And it's gone. So you'll want to make sure that any tasks that you're going to prioritize already have a task owner, meaning somebody assigned to it that would be accomplishing that task. Right now, I only have one owner assigned, and that is for Design Sample for Client, and that's assigned to me. To do this, you go under the owner column, click where it says unassigned, and then you can choose somebody to assign it to. As a demo project, the only person available to assign this stuff to is me, so I will go ahead and assign this one to me and click Submit. Done. You can also do this inside of the task details by clicking on any task name, so I'll do that here, and you'll see a whole bunch of options show up. Again, I can select the owner as me. From here, I can also prioritize. There's a number of additional fields within here. These can all be customized. Go ahead and ask us about this separately in one of our strategy sessions, and if there's additional fields that you would like to see, that is absolutely possible. So additional things that you may want to add into your top 5 priorities for the month might be something like a description. So you can click Add, and then you can actually add pictures inside of the description, details, links, how to get to more information, that kind of thing. I can all go inside of here. So I can say add logo to Google Drive means you're going to need to go to drive.google.com. And I just added a description. Save. All done. So now in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a little X icon. This allows you to close out those additional details and get back to the screen that we were previously located on. Now again, the main goal of this is to set 5 priorities as high per person per month. So I only have 3 that are currently assigned to me, so I'll just assign 2 more. And now I have, Now I have 5 that are assigned to me, and you'll see everything is currently prioritized as none. I would like to set 5 as high, And now you can use the rest of them any other way that you please. So a few strategies with this: you could set things that you know are way in the future just as low, just to know that you've actually already looked at them and we'll get back to them later. And then stuff that you know you definitely want to happen next in case there's more time in the month, or just to help you prioritize for the next month, you could just set those as medium. So if I know these are my next highest priority items, I could set all 3 of them as medium. And then in the next month, I don't have to search between all the nones. I can just look at the medium items. If you're ever curious what we're working on throughout the month, you can look in the status column. We're trying to get better about actually changing these over to saying that they're in progress. And anytime a task is closed out, you can also go under the status, scroll down, and mark it as completed. This will cross it off, and it will also mean that when you're searching under the all open tasks, or even if you wanted to switch it to my open, that none of the closed out tasks will end up showing anymore. To be able to see all tasks, including closed out ones, you can change the view to all tasks in the top left-hand corner, and you will again be able to see everything, including closed out tasks. If you'd like to filter it down just by a singular person and who's assigned to certain things, you can go in the top right hand corner to the right of where it says add task, and there's a little filter icon, and you can go by priority, and you can also go by owner. So if I just want to see all of my tasks, which is typically how I go in here and look at the items that I need to be working on, you can click on that. And now it's narrowed it down so that it's filtering out any items that are not me and any items that are not assigned as high priority. So if you could go into projects.aco.digital and set 5 high priority items for what we're working on together, that would really help to move us along this month and make sure that we're clearly communicating your expectations for what needs to get done. Thank you so much for watching this, and let me know if you have any questions or need help.